Meanwhile, Governor Titanco sees the country's economic growth to continue for the rest of 2013. He bases optimism on the Philippines' solid and strong economic fundamentals. This report.
The robust economic growth of the Philippines for the first quarter will be sustained for the rest of the year. Bangko Sentral Governor Armando Titanco issued a statement before the House Appropriations Committee. The growth will be driven by consumption, investments, government spending, services in the industry sector. Titanco said the fundamentals of the economy are solid and strong.
In terms of real GDP, there has been sustained growth. And it has not only been sustained, it has also accelerated in 2012 and the first quarter of 2013.
Lower prices of food, other commodities, and the drop in utility costs eased inflation.
Effective monetary policy has ensured price stability with inflation decelerating. For the first 7 months of 2013, inflation has averaged 2.9%. And the year-on-year rate for July was 2.5%. The target of the government for this year is an average inflation rate of 3 to 5%.
The country's dollar reserves is now at $81 billion. OFW remittances, exports, tourist receipts, and BPO earnings were a plus for the reserves.
A strong external position backed up by comfortable foreign exchange reserves and prudent external debt management has provided buffers against external volatilities.
The country's banking system is stable and sound with liquidity in the system. Interest rates are down, which has led to increased borrowing for expansion by the business sector.
The calibrated policy rates discussed in the previous slide have been reflected in bank lending rates, which have remained low. This has encouraged banks to continue to lend to the different sectors of the economy, with lending or loans growing by double rates.
Despite the slowdown of the global economy, Titanco said the Philippines will stay the course in sustaining growth for the long term. For the People's Television Network, this is Freddie Obando reporting.